Hi guys, today I have a couple of items from Hermes to share with you, and it's my first exotic items. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oxana, and today I want to share a couple of items with you from Hermes. Extremely excited. One of the items is somewhat fairly new to Hermes, specifically for the women, and the other one is exotic. And if you are against exotic, it's not my intention over here to offend anybody. It's my first exotic piece from Hermes. I'm extremely excited, and obviously I will ask for you to share if you have any exotic items from Hermes, but I'm kind of almost overstepping myself in this video. But before I proceed, if you're into luxury, if you're into fashion, if you're into handbags specifically, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will definitely improve my chances on YouTube universe. Thank you so very much. So let's start it. I have a couple of items to share with you. First, I want to share with you this little booklet, and it's my essay when I asked her for any guidance of how to, tie up the Hermes scarf. She gave me this little booklet, and it has like kind of almost like a cheat sheets, like to how to tie different style of the twillies, scarves, etc. So, and it's obviously free, so if you plan to buy any scarf from Hermes, it's a good idea to ask. It's absolutely for free. Okay, then this is the receipt, proof of purchase. Just happened to be that they're on two different receipts, and I have a couple of items. One, and item number two. Funny enough, I'm gonna start from the big box, and it's a pair of shoes, but it's a different pair of shoes. It's something that Hermes never done before, so let me share it with you. Gorgeous Hermes box. Talking about the box and packaging, I just recently also received some comments on my Instagram that when it comes to Louis Vuitton, recently they kind of lacking initiative, I will put it this way, in packaging items. Yes, and I noticed when you're buying the items, they're pretty much just throwing everything inside the box, and sometimes even they don't put the ribbons. But it obviously depends on the essay, depends on the store. Anyway, and today is about Hermes, and here is a couple of items. Later on, I will share with you the code if you might be potentially interested on purchasing this item, either on from the website, or if you don't have a boutique near you, you can just call them and give them the number. Normally, any Hermes shoes, they come into dust bag. Ta-da! Let me put the second one out of the dust bag. It's actually very nice for traveling, to have a dust bag, because in this case, obviously you can pack your items very, very neatly inside the suitcases. And there you go. I'm gonna come closer to the camera and show for you these gorgeous espadrilles. So that's how they look at the front, inside, and this is the back of the shoes. I think the cutest things ever, very, very comfortable, and I usually have hardest time to find espadrilles that sit really well on me. For instance, Chanel espadrille, it's very hard for me to put on because I have very high instep. This one, I wouldn't say that it's easy to put on, but somewhat manageable, and it's very, very cute detail right there on the top. Really, really like them. So when I talked to my essay, she said that previously Hermes always did espadrilles just for men, and this is the first season when they were trying to do espadrilles for ladies. They're extremely comfortable. Myself, I usually have a trouble with espadrilles, especially with Chanel espadrilles. I tried several times, but somehow they don't fit well on my specific feet. I have quite high instep, and it's very difficult for me to kind of squeeze my feet inside the shoe. I wouldn't say that this one is easy, but I would say somewhat manageable. And I love this detail. Let me just maybe... I love this detail. I noticed recently they have lots of shoes with this specific detail. It's almost kind of like an H, but not exactly, or just kind of a little bit different H. So lots of I would say shoes or kind of sandals with this kind of detailings recently on Hermes website and inside the Hermes boutique. So extremely excited about these espadrilles, and obviously because they're blue and they're denim, they're made of denim fabric, so they will be perfect with any jeans, or with any denim, with any shorts, etc., or even white shorts, you name it, or even with whatever t-shirt I'm wearing today, Belmont t-shirt, they will be absolutely perfect match. And let me show you here is the ID if you might be potentially interested of buying this item from their website, or if you need to call your SA and order this item. So this is the item number 1. Please put your comments below. What do you think of these espadrilles? And what I like about espadrilles, they're always in style, no matter what season, no matter what designer, they're always in style. You could never go wrong with espadrilles, and they're comfortable. So this is the item number 1. And my second item, it's my first exotic piece. I'm extremely excited. So let's unbox. So first things, I'm gonna once again show to you. I never knew, but when it's exotic piece, it's like almost like a piece of paper attached to the box, and it says what kind of leather, it says country of origin of the leather, it says about exports, like because obviously it's when it comes to exotic, it could be somewhat endangered species, so it has to be all legally registered through the countries, etc. So extremely excited. Let me show you. And you can already guess that it's a bracelet. Ta-da! Let me come a little bit closer to the camera. So this is CDC24 in lizard. It's my first exotic piece with the gold hardware, obviously. I'm so extremely excited. The color of this bracelet is desert, and this is somewhat natural lizard. There is only 2 colors in this leather. That's what they told me. They come either in absolutely natural, so literally almost looks like there is no any dye to it, or there is a desert. But either in natural or in desert, there is slight coloring to the leather, but they try to preserve as natural as possible. So that's why you can see there is kind of almost like a tiny spots, etc. But this is actual the natural features of the skin, let's put it this way. And obviously with the gold hardware, I absolutely love it. So story time about this bracelet. First and most, I have an enormous fear for snakes, like snake phobia, and it took me a lot to overcome this fear and the phobia. So let me actually put it on and show to you. And somewhat when it comes to me and the bracelets from Hermes. I really love you know, their leather bracelets. I find them like very nice, and what I like about especially this latest edition, it's CDC24, because I have a couple of the regular CDCs, and what I don't like is this little thingy. What is the features? It's always banging and making noise, but this one obviously doesn't have this little, what should I call it, like a ring, so it doesn't have any noise or anything, and it's really nice with stacking of other jewelry. So I would say with my Justin Clue or with my love bracelet, it will look very beautiful together. And myself, I generally prefer to wear a gold, yellow gold, so it's absolutely perfect. So my question to you, if you own anything from Hermes, their lizard leather, if you have any tips of how to take care of this specific leather, because I obviously trying to read on internet and they said it could be somewhat very delicate, and then I read some other comments about lizard leather, like, you know, when they're making boots, etc., they said that it's actually quite durable. So it's kind of conflicting comments on the internet about this specific leather. So but anyway, if you have anything from lizard leather, Hermes, please put your comments below if you have any special tips on how to take care of it, etc. So please put your comments below if you like this bracelet or not so much. So I'm just gonna put it right here. I think it's absolutely gorgeous piece, and I mean, like, you can feel the quality, you can feel the quality. Absolutely gorgeous piece. Love it, love it, love it. So that's about it for today. Oh, it's so hot outside. Oh, by the way, my hair getting really long and almost out of control. I have to go schedule an appointment for trimming my hair, and just recently I even received a comment on my channel, do you have any tip on how to take care of extensions? And I was almost like laughing. I don't have extensions, it's my hair, and I really need to go for trimming. The last time I had my hair trimmed, it's about 8 months ago. Crazy, almost a year ago. Anyway, that's about it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me likes, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.